Hello class 9, good morning. We are discussing chapter 6 mathematical library methods. Some mathematical methods already we have discussed. So today we are going to discuss some programming question based on the mathematical library methods. Question number 1 already we have done. So the question number 2 is write a program in Java to calculate and display the hypotenuse of a right angle triangle by taking perpendicular and base as inputs. Question is to calculate and display the hypotenuse of a right angle triangle by inputting the perpendicular and base as inputs. And formula is given: hypotenuse equal to square root over p square plus b square, where p is the perpendicular square plus b is the base. So question is clear. We have to input perpendicular and base, and you have to calculate hypotenuse of right angle triangle by this given formula h equal to square root over b square plus b square. Now see the program. Import java.util.scanner, public class hypotenuse, public static void main, create the scanner method, scanner in equal to new scanner system.in. First input the perpendicular, system out print ln enter perpendicular. So what we have input first? Perpendicular. Double p equal to in dot next double. So perpendicular is input. Now base, system out print ln enter base. Double b equal to in dot next double. So according to question, perpendicular is input and base is input. Now we have to convert this formula into Java. This is the mathematical formula. We have to convert it into Java. The first, it is square root over. So you can use the math.sqrt function, and after that p square means math.pow function, power function for p and square and b square will use. Okay. So double h equal to math.sqrt. So overall sqrt in the bracket math.power function p comma 2 means p square plus math.power b comma 2 means b square. So this formula is converted into, this mathematical formula is converted into Java. Done. Now system on print ln hypotenuse equal to h. So question was very simple. It is just already program that to input the perpendicular and base of a right angle triangle and calculate the hypotenuse by using the formula h equal to p square plus b square. So what is required? To input the p perpendicular, input the p, calculate the h. This formula only converted into Java by using the mathematical function and bring the hypotenuse. So this was question number 2. One more question we will discuss. The next question is question number 5. So what is question number 5? You want to calculate the radius of a circle by using the formula. Question is to calculate the radius of a circle by using the formula. Okay, the area equal to 22 by 7 r square. The r for the radius, where r equal to radius of a square of the circle. R is radius of the circle, and area is pi r square. No, the pi value 22 by 7 r square. Hence, the radius can be calculated as, so radius can be calculated as this formula. R for radius equal to square root over 7 into area by 22. So this area is not given, so we have to input this area, and after inputting the area we have to calculate the radius by using the formula math.sqrt, because it is a square root over. So write a program to calculate and display the radius of a circle by taking the area as input. So once again, you want to calculate the radius of a circle by using the formula area equal to pi r square, where r is the radius, and radius can be calculated by the formula radius equal to square root over 7 into area by 22. And what we have to input? We have to input the radius to area. See the program. Import the util package, public class circle radius, public static void main, a scanner in equal to new scanner system.in, creating the scanner class, system out print ln enter area of a circle, enter the area of a circle. double area equal to in dot next double. See, most of the time the geometrical value comes in the fractional part. So we'll try to take geometrical variables, geometrical values double type only. Okay. So this double type, double area equal to in dot next double. Now double R for radius. So this is a formula. Now convert the formula into Java. So how will convert? Double R equal to mat dot sqrt over all area square root in the bracket 7 into area. This 7 into area by slash 22. So that formula is converted into Java formula. Now system or println radius of circle equal to R. The circle is radius of the circle is printed. So this was very easy program. What was the question? To input the area of a circle and calculate the find the radius and print it. So what we have done? We have entered the radius area of the circle, double data type, calculated the radius by the given formula, square root over 7 into area by 22, and printed the radius of circle. So in today's class we have practiced, we have discussed two programming questions based on mathematical library methods. So we have used three methods, which two methods we have used, SQRT method and power method. So write and practice. Thank you.